What's up guys, it's Rick. Welcome to Rick Auto. In this video we're doing a police car goodies mystery box. So I'm gonna show you what is in these mystery boxes right here. This time around we're gonna do something just a little different. You're gonna know what's in each mystery box that you're getting, so there won't be any big surprises. So mystery box number one will include, I'm still gonna arrange everything, make it fit, a 9mm blank firing gun. Don't be stupid and try to put real 9mm bullets in here, because you will hurt yourself. This is meant for blanks only. I got a biscuit! Woo! Funny man. It will include this Safariland holster. It is for lefties. Please note that this must have belonged to a canine unit because it looks like a dog has been chewing on it. It would include this canine unit patch, a ticket book, a red and blue dash light, California exempt plate. This plate is obsolete, and so are the tickets, so don't try to put it in your car and try to play cop, because you will get caught and you will go to jail. Federal Signal Touchmaster, a LifeLock breathalyzer. This is the real deal. I found it broken, but I put it together. That's why all this tape is on here, and it works. What you got to do is go over to Auto Test, blow on it. What do you know? I am sober. Roadrunner solid state driven relay. A fully functioning working tough book. This is a CF19. Rick Auto patch. And that is mystery box number one. There might be some other stuff. If I could fit more stuff in there, I'm gonna stuff it. Mystery box number one will cost a little more just because it has all that extra good stuff. The rest here will be regular price. Mystery box number two. Guys, take a moment to hit that like button. Leave a comment down below and let me know you hit it. YouTube algorithm is changing once again. Let them know that you're digging the videos. All right. Touchmaster Unitrol. Blue hideaway lights, flasher lights. Red and blue lights for the visors.
DJ Rick Auto. Get it.
Police paramedic patch. 5.0. I don't know what this was doing in a cop car. The freedom button. So criminals want to get a... But you guys know what the freedom button does. Some random wiring. Power tamer, absolutely necessary if you're running a lot of equipment in your car. A practice throwing knife. Yeah, oh, I'm good. A 50 cal spent shell. An antenna. Canteen.
Smells like water. H2O.
Motorola modem. A knife. Peerless handcuffs. The keys in here somewhere, I think. Streamlight charger. Spotlight handle. Ford emblem. Stickers. Ooh, check this out. Ninja Star. And of course, a Rick Auto patch. Like I said, I will squeeze in more stuff in here. This is just so you can get an idea of what's gonna be in there. Box number three. Motorola speaker. A crushed center cap for decoration. A Rick Auto random t-shirt. a swap patch. Don't know what color these lights are. Federal Signal ES100 to go with the Touchmaster Unitrol. An antenna, some lights, some charging stuff, dual mic clips, faceplate, power tamer, box number 4, gas mask, sign, charging station, gun timer, Touchmaster, amber light, Santa Cruz gun lock, another knife, a owner's manual, California license plates, spent shell, 50 cal, box number 5, wiring. I'm gonna try to stuff this in here. Some wheel-in light, Touchmaster Unitrol with the mic. I don't know if this mic works. It looks kind of beat up. To tell you anything about the can't vouch for this mic right here, but I know all these Unitrols work. A Taser X26 holster, a center console cup holder, some police stickers, automotive information module, multi-tool knife. I have all kinds of goodies. I am gonna try and stuff as many as I can. I have another box right here. I have more boxes over there. First come, first served. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification. Special shout out to my sponsors: Roblox Police, Roblox Sheriff, Bryce Hastings, Paul, Hoggle, Howard McLeod, ATX CVPI, World's Craziest Trucking Pickle, Anson Beatty, Mason Craver, Braden Kayo Murabito, YouTube, Dominic Metler, Central Ohio CVPI Police Interceptor, Stephen McCuster, NB Interceptors, Corner, William Smith, Logan Kotler, Gorilla Dilla, CVPI, Jaden Lalio, Commander Treaty, Yuri Kugnov, Bartzilla, Bryce 1930, Ali N, Aiden, Seabold, me, we, you, Richard Cohan.